biological value of that particular stream. And this is our sole mission, to enhance the biological value of any stream. And there are various techniques of doing it. For example, the most important aspect is bank stabilization. Because even in any watershed program, the more emphasis is on check dams. They need not be a big dams, but still they are the dams. But no one looks after the banks, how healthy they are, if they are stabilized or not, if there is enough vegetation on the banks or not. And there are lots of ways with vegetative measures to stabilize the banks. Once banks are stabilized, there is good enough vegetation on the banks. They provide different services, not only for the stream channel, but for the entire landscape. Because stream is the most sensitive unit of any landscape, even for wildlife, that serves as the best corridor. So our main emphasis is on re-establishing the vegetation on the stream banks, and along with that, we apply different techniques for in-stream habitat development, with the help of using the same bed material that is lying there. It can be stones, it can be boulders, pebbles, cobbles, whatever it is, but we try and create small different habitats, with the help of which we first try and reduce the velocity of the water and the soil and create favorable conditions for microorganisms to start regenerating or growing. So that's what we are trying to do with Nirmal Ganga Abhiyan, the program that we have initiated 2 years back. And I am very proud to say that we do very little in all these things. The basic work is done by the villagers themselves, and even in villagers, school students take the active part in the entire process. They conduct the service, and we don't go into the details of methodologies, but as I said, first exercise can be very simple, very small, and then we conduct year-long surveys. So here is a combination of both the things, your common sense as well as detailed scientific survey, so that we form a good baseline, good data for us to define the objectives of ecological restoration. And then students perform all these things. They conduct surveys, they create those habitats, of course under our guidance, but they tell us where the stream is meandering, where the soil is coming from, and all of that. So they are the basic engineers of the entire program. And then we help them in monitoring and data documentation and all of that. So